Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in Word. First, open any Word document, whether it's a new blank one or an existing file. Then, navigate to the Home tab in the ribbon. Look for the font group and click the small dialog box launcher arrow in its bottom right corner. This action will open the font dialog box, where you can begin customizing your settings. Once the font dialog box appears, you'll see various options. Here, you can select your desired font style and size. For instance, you might choose Arial as your font, Regular as the style, and 12 points for the size. Take a moment to review your selections in the preview area to ensure they look exactly as you intend for your documents. After making your font selections, locate and click the Set as Default button at the bottom of the dialog box. A prompt will then appear, asking if you want to apply these changes to this document only or all new documents based on the normal template. To make your choice permanent for future files, select the second option, which is crucial for setting a new default. Finally, click OK to confirm your decision and close the font dialog box. Congratulations! Your new default font is now successfully set. From this point forward, every new document you create in Word will automatically open with your chosen font, style, and size, saving you time and ensuring consistency across all your work. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.